All right. So this is gonna be part 2 of the Hoover Clean Slate XL review. We're gonna go ahead and put this thing to use. All right, we got our tank already filled up. Everything's hooked up. We're gonna go ahead and use it on my passenger side seat. Can't tell you how many times I've had drink spills. All right, so out the box, like I mentioned before on part 1, you got your attachment, your little scrubber that goes underneath here. And it just snaps on real easy. Clip over the front. It just sits in there. Bam. All right. Now your attachments. Also, real simple. Snap on. All right. So if I can do this with this on hand. All right. Snaps on. Bam. You hear it click. It's good. Now to remove it, just press that button. Comes right off. All right. So we're ready to go. Attachment on. We're gonna go ahead and saturate the area. Scrub first, and then hit it with the suction. So you gotta kind of hit the vacuum at an angle to kind of get that suction on there. Kind of set it flat to scrub. Hit it at an angle to pick up the stain. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and press that button. Saturate the area. Saturate it real nice. Again, I did a 50-50 solution mix. Wow, this is saturating it pretty nice. All right. Go ahead and, since we filled it up to the top, you know, I do plan on using the entire thing, the entire solution. So we're gonna go ahead and completely saturate the area. I think that's pretty good. Scrub first. Wow. Trying to scrub into the area. Wow, these sheets are bad. Go ahead and wet this side up too. Scrub. It's already picking up some of the stain, as y'all can see. This ain't bad. Now let's hit it with the vacuum. That was a purchase. Wow. Nice. I like it already. Baby. Wow. Oh, that was filthy. Coffee, soda, you name it. As I did mention before, depending how bad the stain is, you can just fill it up with strictly solution. I did a 50-50 mix here, warm water. Set it up halfway, another half solution. As you saw, it only came with 2 small bottles. You may need to purchase some more solution. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. All right, all in all, I think I need to focus on this area for quite some time to really get that stain out, but all in all, I can already see, look at that gunk. I can already see it's working, it's doing its job. Well worth the purchase.